In this set of video lectures, you will learn some methods for analyzing second-order time-invariant systems. These systems occupy an important place in the study of nonlinear systems because the solutions of such systems can be represented by curves in the plane, and this allows for easy visualization of the qualitative behavior of the system. Second-order time-invariant systems are therefore interesting in themselves, in addition to providing a good way of introducing and illustrating some of the basic ideas of nonlinear systems. After watching this set of video lectures, you will know how to construct phase portraits and interpret them using either the analytical method or computer simulations. You will also be able to do a local analysis, which means describing the system behavior near an equilibrium point. You will be able to describe what a periodic orbit and a limit cycle are. And you will be able to tell whether a periodic orbit may or may not exist for a two-dimensional system. The video lectures are based on Chapter 2, Sections 2.1 to 2.6 in the book Nonlinear Systems by Khalil.